Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to remove payment method on your iPhone. So guys, if you are unable to remove your payment method in your iPhone, here I will give you two ways to remove your payment method in your iPhone. So guys, for that you will have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open your settings in your device, and from here open your profile, and from here tap on subscriptions. So guys, from here you will have to make it sure that there is no active subscription on your Apple ID. So guys, if there is any active subscriptions, you may face some troubles to remove your Apple ID. So guys, after this go back, and now I will show you how can you easily remove your payment method in your iPhone. So guys, for that open your payment and shipping and wait for some seconds. Give here your password for your Apple ID. After giving your password, tap on sign in. So guys, here you can see there is no payment method which I have added to my Apple ID. So guys, if there is any payment method added in your Apple ID or in your iPhone, you will have to simply tap on edit button from here, and then you will have to tap on remove button from here to remove your payment method. So guys, from here you can easily remove your payment method on your iPhone. So guys, after this go for the second method to remove your payment method. So guys, for that go back, and from here again open your Apple ID, and from here scroll it below and tap on media and purchases, tap on view account, wait again for some seconds, and from here tap on country or region, tap again on change country or region, select your country from here, tap on agree, again tap on agree. So guys, from here you will have to simply tap on none, and from here you will have to simply add your billing address. So guys, you can add any fake one address in here. Here you can see I am adding this one, and give here postcode for your city, and then give here a fake phone number. You can give anyone, and from here you will have to simply tap on next. So guys, after tapping on next, your payment method will be automatically removed from your device. So guys, this is the way to remove payment method in your iPhone. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.